Okay, so this is Over the Waterfall. This is just a fun tune. I'm going to show you real quick in the non-notated fashion, the aural tradition. So, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. That's the first lick. D, E, F sharp, A, G, F sharp, E, D, E, D, D, A. So, this is it. Then, repeats that same motif with a different ending. All the same until here, and it ends like this. So, together, they're like this. Now it repeats that whole thing and does a different ending to that, which is this. So that ending is this. And I'm sorry, it doesn't repeat the whole thing we did before. It repeats the first motif. So with the introduction of that C note, we are told that we have moved from just, that could be D major, D pentatonic, it couldn't be D Lydian. D major or D pentatonic, not pentatonic, I'm sorry. D major or D mixolydian. And once we introduce this C note, then we think, well, this song is in D mixolydian. Okay, so let's see. Let's play that again. So it repeats that whole section. Now we get to the B part. Has anyone noticed that we're now playing a C sharp instead of a C? Now this means we're in a different mode. We are now in the Ionian mode, which is just to say regular, straight up, good old D major with the C sharp and all the other notes. So that makes this a modal song, as it is changing modes back and forth. So anyway, back to the melody. So D lick on the, starting on the F sharp, G, open A, F sharp, and then G, which is B, G, and then another D lick, which is A, B, A, G, F sharp. Sounds like this. And then the next lick is, so it sounds like this. Now the next lick is, and then when it does this, that's a quick A chord, because you see this lick is over D, and this lick, same lick basically, but relative to where it's being played, it's now an A chord lick. Now resolves to the F sharp of the D chord, giving us this. And then it repeats. So the second ending would be, which is a C sharp D, D F sharp, E D B A D. I'm sorry. So altogether, the B section would be like this. I'm sorry, like this. Okay, you get the idea. You'll be showing me how to play this back very soon, I hope. So, yes, the chords in the A section. To the C, to the G. D D D D D D D D D D D D D D to the C, down to the G, to the D. Now the B section. D G D D D D A D D G D D D. Same thing. Okay, so just a couple things to say on this one. This is a fun tune. You know, you can throw some of those triplets in like that, in that style, or you can get double stoppy on it if you want to. I kind of like to throw this. I like the fact that this lick on the, I'm sorry. Landing on that harmony, because that open E gives you the perfect transition place. When it comes to the you can fancify all of these little licks up in such ways. But I suggest starting with that basic and finding your own little variations. All right, that's that one.